Every piece of leather begins long before the factory doors open. Careful handling ensures quality from the very first step.
This batch looks good. Move them through.
The journey continues toward the heart of the leather industry.
Check this section for scars. Logging the high.
Quality inspection begins even before processing starts. The factory prepares for the transformation ahead.
Position the racks forward. Line the hides.
Logistics prepares to move raw materials into the production chain. Inside these walls, centuries-old craft meets industrial precision. And the raw materials finally enter the world of manufacturing. Raw hides arrive where the industrial journey truly begins.
Ready, then, on the mark!
Each hide moves forward into a carefully controlled production flow. A network of conveyors guides the materials deeper into the plant. Sorting ensures every hide follows the correct processing path. Step by step, the raw material advances through the factory ecosystem. Industrial logistics keep the entire system moving. Now the hides reach the first stage of transformation. The factory prepares to cleanse and prepare every surface. Behind these walls, raw material becomes industrial craftsmanship. The people behind the process prepare for another day of production. Inside, a complex system of machines waits to begin. This is where industrial leather production truly begins. Every department works in perfect coordination. The first stage prepares the hides for deeper transformation. Massive machines begin the cleansing process. Now the material moves toward precision cleaning and sorting. Cleaning continues to remove every remaining trace of dirt and sand. Powerful water jets strip away the final impurities. Controlled drainage prepares the hides for precise trimming. Precision trimming begins shaping the raw material. Every surface is inspected for strength and quality. Sorting determines the next stage of processing. Industrial lifting systems carry the material forward. Now the hides approach the core transformation stage. The tanning process begins the chemical transformation of leather.
Feed it in steady. Close the hatch.
Inside the drum, fibers begin their structural change. Precise chemistry ensures durability and flexibility. Hours of controlled motion reshape the hide's internal structure. The newly tanned leather emerges from its chemical bath. Now the material moves forward for stabilization. Neutralization balances the leather after tanning. Next, pressure removes moisture and prepares the leather for shaping. High pressure removes excess moisture, shaping the leather's density.
Position clear. Close it down.
Flattened and stabilized, the hides are ready for stretching. Mechanical stretching ensures uniform texture and flexibility. Controlled heat begins the final moisture removal. Even drying prevents warping and prepares the leather for finishing. Now the hides move to final shaping and surface refinement. Precise trimming prepares the leather for quality assessment. The main transformation stage sets the foundation for a durable, beautiful finish. Automation ensures consistent application for every hide. Controlled drying locks in color and texture uniformly. Every machine is calibrated for consistency and quality. Inspection and automation work hand in hand. Every hide is logged and prepared for precise finishing. Edges are refined for both strength and aesthetics. Uniform stretching prevents warping and prepares hides for final assessment. Automation and human oversight combine for reliable quality control. Buffing refines the surface, revealing the leather's final character. Uniform thickness ensures strength and flexibility. Conditioning locks in resilience and texture. Air circulation stabilizes the finished leather.
This one's ready. Next pattern.
Embossing adds the final aesthetic character. Polishing reveals the richness of finished leather. Now every sheet faces the final test of quality. Before approval, every batch must pass strict testing.
Strength testing ensures the leather can endure years of use.
Uniform thickness confirms accurate processing.
2.35, logging it, marking and passing.
Surface perfection is checked under intense illumination. Laboratory analysis confirms chemical balance and safety. Durability testing simulates years of real-world wear. Only approved leather moves forward to packaging. Now the finished material prepares for delivery. Approved leather now enters the final stage of the journey. Packaging protects the leather during transport. Every shipment is tracked with precision. Finished leather is organized for storage and dispatch. The warehouse becomes the final holding point before shipment. Logistics teams prepare the leather for global distribution. From raw hide to refined material, the process reaches completion. And this is how modern factories produce camel leather from start to finish.